This is the newest trading bot for Pocket Option. Unlike the others, Flex AI is not just a piece of code, it's your personal, fully customizable agent that works 24/7. When talking about customization, this is what it looks like. Live assets, OTC or crypto. Set your own charts type, time frame, and the most important, your time zone. Flex AI will fully synchronize with your own Pocket Option account. When all the settings were set, let's proceed to the first Flex trading session. Today is the fifth and last day of our challenge. How much can we earn in a week by trading on Pocket Option using the Flex Trade bot? Today, we will use a countdown. Everything is done as usual. We choose a currency pair with the highest payout percentage, set the expiration time, and determine the trade amount. Our project has been granted with the unique Pocket Option promo code. You can see it on your screen. Use it now and get a 60% bonus for your deposit. Unfortunately, this trade did not succeed due to the specified win rate. We can use the martingale strategy and double the amount of the trade, since we are 100% sure in the bot accuracy. Here is the result we finally achieved. Click on the link in the description to trade with Flex.